Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV, and so guys, today I wanted to go with me to the supermarket. My first time trying to video in the supermarket. So I buy some stuff. I'm gonna buy some vegetables and some rice, and I'm gonna try to make a green juice today, and also to just make some vegetables and some chicken for dinner. So guys, come along with me guys and watch the process as I do so. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Please comment, subscribe and share, and continue to help me grow guys. Guys, I appreciate for all my subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for that. My future subscriber, thank you so much. If you come across this video, please comment, subscribe and share. And so guys, watch the process as I cook simple stuff guys. Guys, I don't do extravagant stuff. I do simple stuff that I do on a daily basis. And so guys, watch the process as we go to the supermarket and come back, and I'll show you the price of the stuff and what I really bought in the supermarket. Thank you so much guys. Okay guys, so these are the stuff that I just bought from the supermarket guys. I bought some kale, so I'm gonna make a green juice. I bought some corn. Yes guys, I bought some corn. I got 5 corn, some tomato, table tomato, buy some carrots, some and this is what this is, parsley. Let me tell you guys, I think it's parsley. It doesn't say, but it's either parsley or cilantro. One of them. Either parsley or cilantro. Then I'm gonna put this also in the juice. And I use it to cook also. I bought some broccoli. This is broccoli, guys. I bought another veggie, parsley. So this is the parsley, guys. So it's the parsley and this is the cilantro. So I bought some cilantro and some parsley. I bought a mango for $1. $1 mango. Bought a lettuce, iceberg lettuce. Guys, I don't really like these lettuce, but the other lettuce was so expensive. Romanian lettuce was so expensive, so I got that one. I buy some cucumber. So guys, I'm gonna make a salad, and I'm gonna make a green juice. I bought some broccoli leaf. So guys, this is the first time I'm gonna cook with broccoli leaf. I'm not sure if I should put some of this in my green juice. I might put some in my green juice because I like to experiment. So I think I'm gonna put some of the. I'm gonna steam this, and I'm also gonna put some in my green juice. So that's the broccoli. They call it broccoli sprout or something. That's my broccoli. I buy a bag of. Oh Lord, this is open. Maybe I have to take this back to the store. Barley. I didn't even see that it is open, guys. So I got some barley. When they're taking it out the box, you cut with the knife. So that's my barley. And I buy some yellow rice. So I'm gonna save these so that I can cook yellow rice, guys. So guys, and I bought also 20 pound of rice, guys. 20 pound of rice. So guys, I'm gonna cook some rice from my church, and so that's why I buy that rice. And I got some spinach from my garden. I'm gonna use this also in the green. This spinach I'm gonna eat from my garden. I'm gonna use this also in the green juice. And I guess that's it, guys. Let's see the bill, guys. I'll show you how much I spent. I spent $40.95. That's not bad, guys, because the rice was the most expensive thing in the whole shopping experience. The rice was $12.49. So that wasn't bad. The rice is the most expensive. Usually rice is cheaper, but nowadays rice is so expensive. And so guys, these are the stuff that I picked up in the supermarket today. And I'm gonna start preparing for dinner. Alright guys, so I'll check you back, guys, when this is just my shopping list. So I'm gonna make this video just a shopping video. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment, subscribe, and share, guys. Continue to watch my videos, continue to subscribing. I really appreciate it, guys. So guys, I was thinking to have this video. Yeah, I'm just gonna make this video for the day. Alright guys, take care.